Hello, I'm David Poe,
And I'm Carson Russell.
and today we'll be talking about how our body produces ATP, which we use as energy, through the processes of glycolysis, citric acid cycle, and fatty acid metabolism.
To begin this process, our body takes a single molecule of glucose and converts it into two molecules of pyruvate through a process called glycolysis. This process requires two molecules of ATP, but then it produces four molecules of ATP and two molecules of NADH. And David's going to show us this mechanism now. The two molecules of pyruvate are then converted into acetyl-CoA through the cofactors in our body. This reaction produces two molecules of NADH. Sometimes people will include this in the process of glycolysis, and sometimes it is shown afterwards, as is shown here. The acetyl-CoA is then reacted with oxaloacetate in the citric acid cycle. This produces 2 ATP, 6 NADH, and 2 FADH2 molecules. David will now show us the mechanism for the citric acid cycle. Thanks for that mechanism, David. Through glycolysis and the citric acid cycle, our body converts one molecule of glucose into 4 ATP molecules, 10 NADH molecules, and 2 molecules of FADH2. But when our body is low on glucose, or when we're in a fasted state, there's another process that we can turn to for a source of energy, and that's fatty acid metabolism. In fatty acid metabolism, our body converts one molecule of fatty acid into acetyl-CoA, and that acetyl-CoA is then able to enter into the citric acid cycle and react with oxaloacetate to produce, again, 2 molecules of ATP, 6 molecules of NADH, and 2 molecules of FADH2.
As we can see from these processes of glycolysis, citric acid cycle, and fatty acid metabolism, our body produces much energy through the molecules of glucose and fatty acid. Thank you for watching our video.